Yeah, I know this is multiplied, right?
Now this has to be active plus 10.
Well, after that, multiplied it.
You listen my explanation. First is added plus 10 divided.
Oh yeah, besides, if you explain it, don't take too long.
There, let's read. Let's go.
Hey, are you guys done?
My job to find the description is done. My job is also finished. Looking for the characteristic.
Really? It's autocorrect? Just what out if you make a mistake.
It is done and correct.
Well, hang on. I will check it first, then you can type on it. See, there is something missing. How is it? This afternoon we will continue at your house, and make a video. Okay, good.
Let's go.
John, have you eaten your lunch?
Yes, I've already eaten, Mom.
Please get some snacks from the kitchen to us.
What is it, Mom? I was tired at school with a lot of work, so don't tell me to. Just tell Sisoy and don't bother me.
Oh my goodness! You can be like that, Zen!
Here, Mom. Here are some snacks.
Thank you, let's eat together.
A few moments later.
Your housing will come to your house later.
Oh, Eliana. It's been a long time, but I have good work this afternoon.
Gosh, why did she come? So I can take a nap.
Have you ever taken a nap? A nap is that you of day then play on your phone.
That's right. Yeah, come on. Hi guys, I'm Vanessa.
Hi.
Here.
Hi Eliana, have you eaten?
I've eaten Auntie.
Auntie just prepare a drink, okay?
How are you guys? I'm good. I'm fine.
I'm just normal, no need small talk.
Thank you, Auntie.
Auntie wants to go to the room first to or chat her or right?
Yes, Auntie. So, yesterday I watched cartoon at the cinema. The story is good. There are important messages from the film. What's the title? This cartoon film is called Barbie in a Christmas Carol. You should watch it. This film is called Grow Right. There's more on YouTube if you want to watch it. The title is The Pursuit of Happiness, taken from a true story.
Oh, I see.
I'll try. Watch it later. Oh yeah, I have group work later. What lesson? History lesson, video assignment. Good luck with your assignment.
Today, there is things homework. Well then, I'll do my homework first. It's a waste of time with you guys. Don't you know?
He's been really impatient, you know. Oh, she should have learned a valuable lesson. My mom has picked me up. I'm going home now, okay? Okay.
Let's start from here, okay?
Let's play first before we go home.
What's the point? It's not really important to play.
It's okay, let's play together. Sam! Sam!
Yes? Why?
Come here and play together.
I don't want.
Come on, just come along. Don't be too late.
A, B, C for best, 6. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Giraffe. Garden.
The
Green, gold, blue, and red.
It's my turn, you know.
You're taking too long.
That's so cheating.
What the heck? It's because you took too long.
Enough already. You have to play in turns, okay? Let's play again.
Since you lost and I won, I will give you 2 coins. Give me a random item or...
Okay, I'll look for the item first. This item has not been used for a long time. This thing is useless too.
Okay, but don't look for this bed again, okay? Because this is already mine.
Sis, can you do it quickly? We'll be late.
Yes, be patient.
Joy Jane, do you see the small bag in the playhouse?
I gave the bag to Johnson because I lost the game yesterday.
Hey, did you know there's grandma's gold bracelet in the bag?
Oh my gosh, I don't know, Mom. God, I really regret it. Why? I was too careless in making decision.
Can you please help me find the result? Yes, so we play is first, then after that subtract it.
Okay, guys, I am sorry I always interrupt you when you're